Hey, Blazer Tales. Oh, I got such a good one for you today. This is The Beach House by Rachel Hanna. Rachel Hanna has actually become one of my absolutely favorite authors, like of all times. Rachel Hanna, this is the South Carolina Sunset series. There are a bunch of these, like I don't know, maybe 12 or 13. I think I'm on 9 right now. Let me tell you, when it comes to a series, I usually only get to about 3 and then I'm done. I just don't like a whole bunch of books in a series. I cannot stop reading these books. If you want clean, no cussing whatsoever, this is the book series for you. This is the author for you. She has a bunch of series. I cannot wait when I finish the South Carolina Sunsets. I'm jumping into the next series. That's how much I absolutely love these books. Um, I'm listening to these books on audio, and let me tell you, whoever she has doing these audio reading, fantastic. She does voices for every single character, and you can tell which character's talking by the voice. It is that good. So, real quick, let me tell you about this book. I know there's a glare on the cover, but the Beach House is about a girl named Julie, or a lady. She's in her 40s. She lives with her husband in Atlanta or right outside of Atlanta, Georgia. Real ritzy neighborhood, very wealthy, members of the country club, all that kind of stuff. They're about to retire. Well, she like runs an online boutique. He has a job. He's about to retire. They are buying a beach house to retire to. It's always been Julie's dream to retire to a beach house. And it's like a week or so. They're getting ready to sell their house. They're getting ready to move. She thinks her life is absolutely perfect. And then her husband, Michael, drops a bombshell on her that he has been having an affair with another woman. They have a child. He's leaving her for this other woman. She doesn't have a clue what to do. Julie decides she just up and decides she's going to go get her beach house. Not the same one that they were going to get, but she just goes to this little town called Seagrove in South Carolina and buys this house sight unseen. It's not actually on the beach, it's on the marsh. But she buys it. She drives all the way over there. She takes everything she owns. They have two daughters, but one daughter lives like in Paris and one daughter lives in California. They're both in school. Like the daughter in California has like an internship with a law firm. Anyway, so they don't live with them. So she just drives by herself. She gets to this house and it is falling apart. Like it is awful. And she can't stay there. So she goes in search for a place to stay and she finds this place that has a sign outside called the Inn at Seagrove. She goes to stay there. Come to find out, it used to be an inn. It's not anymore. It's this man's house. But Southern hospitality, he has her come stay, just like it was a regular an inn. And his name is Dawson. Come to find out, Dawson is a contractor. So Dawson gets the bid and he starts to fix up her house. In the meantime, with all this going on, her mother, who lives, I think she lived in North Carolina, maybe. Anyway, the mother brings Julie's sister, Janine, drops her on her front porch and says, "You take her. I'm done with her," because she's been living with her mom. And the thing is, Julie and Janine don't like each other. They haven't talked in years. They had a falling out, don't talk. Janine's kind of a flighty, fly by the seat of her pants kind of girl. She is big into yoga. She has traveled all over the world doing yoga. And so these two girls now have to try to figure out how to live together in this house while it's being basically built from the ground up. And then just when Julie starts making friends, she meets Dixie, who owns the bookstore, and Dixie gives Julie a job, and Julie actually loves working at the bookstore. And Janine and her finally kind of start hashing some things out, and they maybe start being kind of friends. Then Dawson and Julie start kind of making a really good friendship together, and you think things might be moving where they might start seeing each other as more than friends. And then Michael has a car accident because Julie is legally still married to him. She has to go. I think he still lived in Atlanta at the time. Wherever he lived, she had to go. Come to find out, Michael's fiance that he has the child with has left him because she doesn't want to deal with somebody who has been in a car wreck and can't take care of themselves. So she's just left him. And Julie is left to try to take care of Michael, a man who did all that to her. She has a life in Seagrove now she really wants to get back to. And then Michael drops his bombshell on her that, hey, let's get back together. She doesn't want that, but she thinks she needs to do it for her girls. Oh, but when you find out how this book ends, oh my goodness. This book series and all of its characters have their, I mean, they're wrapped around my heart. I love this whole crew. Every book introduces a pretty much a new person, a new story. This is one you never get tired of. The characters who are from the beginning are always in the books and they always evolve, and but you always have new people coming in. I love South Carolina Sunset so much. You have no idea. I cannot wait to finish the series. If you want good, clean reading, which is rare these days, get The Beach House. This is book one. I'm going to be doing, like I said, I'm going to be doing a book talk for every one of them, but don't miss out on this series. Rachel Hanna is absolutely amazing. Okay, I will see you in the next book talk, guys.